Hi, I'm Loren from SquareKicker. We found this awesome site made on Webflow. I really liked how the background video seems to be coming through the text in the top section, and it turns out this can totally be made on Squarespace. So I want to show you how to do this in minutes using SquareKicker. Alright, I have prepared a site for us, and I've got two sections going, and on each of these sections I have applied a background video, the same video. Our next step is to go in that bottom section, open the extension under Advanced, and then we're going to fix scrolling, which is a super cool tool. If you want to find out how to use the tool in depth, you can find that tutorial in the description. Basically, you can either fix the content being any block that is on that section, you can see here that's not moving, or I can fix the background. So once I've done this, I'm going to go do the exact same thing in that top section. Fix scrolling, background, and apply. Cool. Now I'm going to reopen the extension in the top section, and we're going to play with stencils. Now stencils, once again, we've got some tutorials to explain how to use this. And basically, you can either use it with some shapes that are already created and kind of acting like a mask, or you can create your own. To do this, you need to create a custom SVG. So I have created my own in advance using Canva, which made it super easy. And then you basically place it wherever you want it. Once we've got this, we're going to go under Design and Background. And here I'm going to click on Media. So that's basically whatever I apply here will be applied to the media, which here is the video. So I can apply a filter, like I can go grayscale, or in this case, I want to use blur. So I can choose how much blur we get. So a little note here, at the moment you can see the videos are loading almost at the same time, but not quite. But as soon as we refresh the page, that will be in perfect sync. And there we go. I'm going to press apply, and you've got that super cool effect going. I hope that was helpful. I cannot wait to see what you guys create with SquareKicker, and see you next time for some more inspiration. Bye!